What's up, YouTube? So today I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna see if I can get my bike through the drive-thru and actually order something. I've tried it in the past on a normal bicycle, but I've never had any luck. Typically they don't allow bikes on the drive-thru, so I'm gonna see if I can get through with the e-bike. Maybe, you know, they might think it's a motorcycle and it might work, but we'll see how it goes, guys. Here it goes.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get 2 McChickens?
2 McChicken, anything else?
That's gonna be all.
Alright, 2 McChicken, that'll be $3.78 at the next window.
All right, thank you. Yeah, thanks. Well, that was pretty easy. That worked. Now I'm gonna try Starbucks and see if it works over there. Let's see if it works here, because I know most places don't allow bicycles through the drive-thru, so I'm curious if it's gonna work. I don't know, maybe it's the helmet or the bike itself. I'll let you guys take a quick look at it.
Hello, sir. Due to safety reasons, we can't have you wait in the drive-thru. Our lobby is open.
What's the reason for that?
Safety reasons. Because they're...
I could put this down if it's about COVID.
No, it's about like you just being not in a vehicle. You're on a bike.
So this is actually my personal vehicle. It's an e-bike, so it's not like a normal bike.
I understand, but like that's the only answer I could give you.
There's really no way you can, because I don't have a car. This is pretty much what I used to get.
Yeah, our lobby is open.
The thing is, I don't have a chain for it. So you said you can't give me service today?
No, I'm sorry.
All right, man. Well, that one didn't work. Interesting. I guess McDonald's just doesn't care. I tried to BS it a little bit, but it didn't work, so I kind of just gave up. Well, that sucks. This was more like an experiment just to see if places would let me into the drive-thru. I guess McDonald's is not as strict, but Starbucks is. Maybe I should try a third place. What do you guys think? I'm gonna try to go to Rally's. It's over there in the hood. It's down the street. I guess it kind of depends on the area. But then again, I was at the McDonald's literally right around the corner from the Starbucks. But the hood is this way, so let's see if Rally's will serve me. Let's see how that goes. Or actually, I think I'm gonna try Taco Bell. Let's try Taco Bell. They might let it slide here. This is kind of like the hood area, so I mean, they might let it slide. I guess we'll have to wait and see. I need new brakes. Alright, let's see how this one goes. I have a good feeling about it.
Hi.
Hello?
I'm sorry, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a freeze?
Okay. What kind?
I'll take a wild strawberry freeze.
Oh, our strawberry freeze is defrosting right now. We have a hot blast right now. Is that fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright, regular or large?
I'll take a regular.
Okay. Anything else?
And let's see, that's gonna be all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, that was $2.69.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was easy. Thank you. Well, that was 2 out of 3. And I pretty much predicted that. I figured. And I'm pretty sure all these other ones, there's KFC, Jack in the Box, and there's a Rally's down the street. I'm pretty sure they'll serve me too. But I had a feeling Starbucks wasn't. I'm not surprised. Well, I guess it fools some people. Not all, but some. Yep. I don't even know how I'm gonna drink this. I just ordered something to order something. World War II.
I don't know if you ever saw the movie The Great Escape, but it's a lot like the motorcycle they had there.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, the company, they go for that like old school look.
If you don't mind me asking, what do those go for?
This one right here, it goes for around. I paid $2,000.
Wow.
It sounds a little pricey, but if you think about it, you don't have to pay for registration, for license, for gas. So like this one, I can use it on sidewalks, bike lanes.
Cool.
When it's really necessary, if there's no bike lanes, you can use it on the actual road.
Okay, how fast does it go?
26 miles per hour.
Wow. Yeah, I used to ride a road bike to school, so.
Oh yeah,
that's really cool.
I love bikes, and then this one I put blinkers on it actually.
Oh, okay.
So like, I put blinkers on it, front and back. And then this one's cool because it comes with a headlight, a tail light, and a brake light. So if you do have to go on the road,
right,
it'll be safe.
there you go.
Yeah.
Hey, well, you have a safe night, all right?
All right, you too. Thanks.